I do is hustle.
What is going on, Pyros? We are back with the heavyweight champ from Fisherman Fireworks. Come on, the Fisherman factory. Look at that. Watch out. He's got some punch. Look at that guy's landing. He's knocked out. Knocked out. This is what we should be seeing. Those are the breaks we should be seeing. Let's see if they stick through. It is 16 shots. It is a 500-gram cake. There's your fuse. So this means this side should give us our performance. So, the first to third rows are red glittering willow and white strobe with red pearls and white strobe mine. Gold glittering willow and blue pearls. Silver glittering willow and red strobe. And the fourth row is red and blue. Again, 16 shots, 500 grams, straight up is this cake. That is what we have for the heavyweight champ in the house. Fisherman Fireworks. Let's go see if it knocks it out of the park.